Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick video about how I bleach my knots. So to start off, you just want to get your hairline out of the way. I'm just using a spray bottle that has some water and leave-in conditioner in it. And you want to get all those hairs out of the way. You want to get all the inside of the wig, out of your way. Cut the clips, cut the combs off or whatever. I'm going to be using the B2 powder, 30 volume developer, a bowl, a brush, mixing brush. You can use a butter knife to spread it, or you can use the back of a spoon if you like. You also want to use gloves because the bleaching powder can burn you. Like, you can literally get a chemical burn. This is real. I wanted to make sure I have the exact measurements for you all. So I use 1 pack of the W2 bleaching powder, and I use 6 caps of this Clairol Pure White 30 volume developer. You want to use the butter knife or the back of the spoon, whichever you feel like spreads the easiest for you. And you just want to spread the mixture over the lace like peanut butter, or like you're buttering toast or something. You want to get it evenly spread across. And you also want to make sure you pay good attention to the back of the lace. That's where the knots are always bigger, always darker, and you're going to always have a hard time getting those. The front is going to turn, but you want to make sure you get the back, especially if you're doing a part or a deep side part. You want to make sure you get those back knots because them things be big. So this is just me checking to make sure that the bleach is, up and above the hairline, which it is. Making sure it's evenly distributed, which it is. Checking to make sure that I have it all the way, down to the back, like I was telling y'all, which it is. I'm gonna cover it with some foil, just to keep the heat in, and we're gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. I didn't have to let it sit for the whole 45 minutes because these knots was pretty small. This was a great wig. Like, I really didn't even have to bleach it. Now we're gonna check out our results. And she is definitely looking orange. It is definitely time to rinse her out. So I rinse her out with like warm water, not hot water, not cold water, just warm water. Let all the bleach just fall off. I don't rub it in. I just let it fall off on its own. And after getting all the bleach off the lace, I go in with a neutralizing shampoo. Mine is by Silk Elements, and I saturate it real good so I can make sure I stop all the chemical process that's going on that lace. You really want to do this. You don't want no bumps on your forehead. You don't want no chemical reactions to this bleach. This bleach is no joke. You want to make sure that you neutralize it and get all the product out. After that, I'm going to go in with my toning shampoo, and I'm gonna tone it, and I'm gonna let that sit for about 20 minutes, and then after that, it's gonna be time to install my girl. If you have not liked, comment, and subscribe, please do so. Please turn on your notification bells, because the install video will be coming up right next. You gotta stay tuned so you can see how I install this wig. The knots turned out perfect. If you follow these steps, you'll get scalp like every time. Thank you. Bye.